Now that our pierogi are ready, it's time to cook them. Let's get started.
Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Once the water is boiling, add salt. I'm using about 1 teaspoon of salt per quarter of water, but adjust to your taste. Carefully add the pierogi to the boiling water, making sure not to crowd the pot. Give them a gentle stir right away, so they don't stick to the bottom. Once the water comes back to a boil, lower the heat so it's at a gentle simmer. An aggressive boil can cause pierogi to open, especially if the seal is weak. After a short while, the pierogi will float to the surface. That's your signal that they are cooking through. From the moment they float, continue cooking them for about 3 to 4 minutes for savory fillings and about 1 to 2 minutes for sweet fillings. Once they are done, remove the pierogi with a slotted spoon and transfer them to a plate or bowl. Bring the water back to a boil and repeat the process with the remaining pierogi. At this point, the pierogi are fully cooked and ready to be served, which we'll cover in the next lesson.